Hello guys, today we work with our book page number 119, and we have this this little exercise. Okay, so we have this number 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7, and we are going to trace the number. Okay, let me change my color y ahorita lo trazamos. Okay, I'm gonna do it with the green color. Let me see. There is green. Okay, and we have to color the shapes. This is a triangle, and we have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we have to color them all. Good. Let's color it. Okay, now number 7. I'm gonna make it with color, looks like orange. So let's make it with the color orange. Okay, that's number 7. We have the number 7 here, and we have squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares, and we have to color the squares too with the color orange. We have the orange and the green colors. Okay, we have to practice these numbers. Let's count them again. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Well, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Niños, nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later. Bye, bye.